20 and I'm tired of being fat. Also, I just got a laptop and started heavily playing Minecraft. How was Minecraft made? Java. Well, guess I'm learning Java now. Okay, so there's that. But I'm still fat. After watching a couple of Lithium X videos to get abs in 10 minutes, I realized I was probably not burning many calories by eating a bag of chips while watching someone else working out. So, I resolved to do something about my situation. I couldn't afford a gym membership, and after some research came to the conclusion that calisthenics would be a good form of exercise. So I downloaded an app and got started. At this point, I kind of veered off the game dev path and stumbled into web development. Some time passed and I burnt off quite a bit of weight and felt really good. But calisthenics just didn't feel as rewarding anymore. And I developed a sense of yearning for weights. And the app I was using couldn't help with that. This was around the pandemic and my dad had bought a bench which we put in the garage. I thought now was as good a time as ever to start lifting. So I did, and made decent progress. That is, up until now. I feel like I've hit a plateau. The reason for this being that I haven't been the most deliberate in tracking my workouts. I mean, I tried the whole notebook thing and even using the notes app on my phone, but that gets messy quickly and isn't the most convenient thing to do. So I looked for apps to help track my workouts and nothing I found really met my needs, either being too bloated with unnecessary features or blocked by paywalls. So I decided to build my own app. No extra fluff, just unadulterated gains. Now the goal is always to go harder than last time in the gym, but you can't just rely on a gut feel to know when you've hit the mark. It's important to have empirical evidence of your workouts, and to a larger extent, of your entire progress. The main aim of this project is to make it blatantly obvious when I'm doing well and when I'm not. It doesn't get easier than seeing a green graph pointing up to the right to know you're on the right track, and it pointing down to know you need to up the intensity. The core method of tracking progress is volume. There's some controversy surrounding how this should be measured, but I went for the standard way of doing things. Volume equals weight times reps. So if I do 8 dumbbell curls at 18 kilograms, my total volume is 8 times 18, which equals 144 kilograms. Multiply by 3 sets, and that's 432 kilograms for the exercise. Repeat for all exercises and you've got your total session volume. By doing this, I can track my overall performance as well as my performance per exercise. Because it's one thing to know that you're moving more weight overall, but that could be a result of just improving on one exercise and remaining stagnant on the rest. So specific knowledge is required. I literally just finished working on this, so all the data you've been seeing is, I'm sorry to say, fabricated. But I will be using it this week and getting a feel for how things work. But trends will only start revealing themselves after 2 weeks because my routine runs on a week-long interval. Either way, I'm excited to put this to work. If you're into lifting or just curious, links in the description. Beware of bugs. If you come across anything that's broken, just let me know, and thanks for watching.